In this tutorial, I want to show you the easiest and quickest way that you can create awesome and working QR codes in Microsoft Excel for completely free. So to do this, we're going to use an add-in. So you're going to want to go to the Home tab, go all the way to the right, click on Add-ins right there. Then you're going to want to click on More Add-ins. And you're in the search bar, you're going to type in QR for Office. And you're going to see this add-in called QR for Office. And you're going to click on Add. And you're going to click on Continue. And boom, we have QR for Office. And here you can seamlessly and easily add in QR codes into your spreadsheet. So, for example, if I wanted to add in a QR code for Google, I can click on www.google.com, and then I can click on Insert, and boom, I have a QR codes and as many as I want to have. Now, this is great too because for one, you have customization and flexibility into the link that your QR code uses. So as you can see, I have HTTP, HTTPS, mail to, tel, SMS, geo, where I can customize the address. I can adjust the color. So let's just say I wanted to have a green QR code for whatever reason. Now my QR code, I'm going to put this in a new tab so it's a bit more clean, but now it is green. I can also adjust the background color too. So if I want a green QR code with a black background for whatever reason, there you have it. A green QR code with a black background. Now I made this bigger and it looks blurry. Well, don't worry, because with this add-in, I can adjust the size to be whatever I would want it to be. Now, as you can see, as I adjust the slider, the size image change, the full size changes. As you can see, now this is 375 by 375 pixels. This one's 200 by 200. And as you can see too, as I scroll down, it kind of gives you the preview of the QR code. But yeah, and if I want to go and access this add-in after I have it, I go to add-ins, and then I can go to QR for Office, and I can then use this add-in. This is great because it's quick and easy to use, but there are some drawbacks in a sense that, for one, this isn't very flexible. So if the link changes, the QR code won't change, and I'm going to have to create a new QR code, which is fine if it's just one or two QR codes. But if it's like 100, that could be annoying. Um, also too, you have to go into the add-in and create the QR code like this, versus a more of a formulaic approach could be a bit more flexible and not having to the add-in, and your office that you're working for example, might have security concerns around the add-ins in general. But if you're trying to just quickly and easily add in a QR code into your spreadsheet, in my opinion, using the add-in QR for Office is the quickest and easiest way. We found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day.